That's too loud. I've never said that in my life before, but that's too loud.
Click over to budgetvapors.com to get some of my most favorite flavors in the entire industry for 15% off using my promo code Gabe sent ya. When you use my promo code over on Budget Vapors, you can get 120 milliliters of premium e-liquid for just $8.49. Also available on budgetvapors.com is my juice line. The Light Designs liquid line is available in 60 and 120 milliliter bottles. Both my juice line and the many delicious Budget Vapors flavors are developed in a high quality lab down in Florida. When you pick up my juice line or use my promo code, it really helps keep the Light Designs program going, so thank you all so much for helping support the channel. I really appreciate it. So I've been driving around with vice grips holding that bolt on for...
Which, I mean, don't get me wrong, it is real safe. Nothing could go wrong.
I got a sticker like that.
We gotta go get the exhaust for this thing too, so it doesn't sound like the worst rotary you guys have ever heard.
I would like it if it was louder. It's just too quiet. So we're here at TC Tyler's headquarters. This is where he's going to be making all his videos. But in the meantime, we're going to be fixing the camber bolt on the TRD. We said in the previous clip, there's vice grips holding the top of the camber bolt on, which sounds a lot more dangerous than it really is. The top side of the camber bolt really isn't under that much stress. The way that the rear suspension is with this, there's a lot of other factors holding it on. But because I'm going to be racing and I need to pass tech inspection for racetracks, stuff that you can get away with on the street, like driving around with vice grips holding your back wheel on, is not so much like it is on the track. Are you gonna shoot me with like a big flame? Tyler has heat in his garage, kind of. Thanks for complimenting my Rarity sticker. Fluttershy used to be my favorite pony, but I'm kind of getting more into Rarity, and I like Twilight a lot. She's smart, but Rarity's cool too. Up here are the vice grips holding my camber bolt on. Right there. Thank you for the light. Look at those. Do you see them?
Oh yeah.
Alright, here I go. Hopefully they come off. Oh my gosh, they are barely on. There you go. Thanks, Dan. Tyler thinks he can get this in like first go.
If I can get this first go, you knock $500 off the TC.
If you get this first go, I'll knock $100 off. Get the heck out of here. Yo, come on. I see why you have such a big budget garage. Best work in town. That's insane. What are we gonna do with the rest of our day?
We can go flex on some haters.
Okay.
We have to go shovel my TC out. We have to go get your exhaust.
You don't buy it in stores.
Oh, okay.
You want to unbolt this one while we're down here, and then we'll just run it straight pipes for like a week until it gets shipped?
Oh, heck yeah.
Alright, I like that. Is there anything that I'm gonna melt from heat? Not really. No, there's no wires or anything around here, right?
Actually.
What?
I don't know, because that exhaust hanger's right there. There's none close until up there.
Want to sawzall it?
All the way up there?
No, down here. Yeah, that would be alright, because it's essentially got to sit where this one is now.
Yeah,
only it's got to go straight
then,
up.
If anything, once we get it, we can just get an adapter,
yep.
Slide it over this, clamp here, and clamp here,
yep.
And then it'll be done. And
then I was thinking of welding either some like pieces
a cap to hold it here,
something,
so we can use the stock mounts and we don't have to weld new ones.
Exactly. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is cut off somewhere around here, probably around this area, so we have some meat to work with. But there is a big hole in here from me scraping, because you scrape right there. So we're gonna go a straight pipe to Cherry Bomb at Stream, which is gonna be right around here, and then I'm gonna cut my bumper and have it go out through there. Pretty straightforward. Tyler, the floor is yours.
Thanks for visiting How to Make Your Scion TC TRD. 15 times louder.
Oh, at least. You ever heard one of these straight pipes?
Nope, but I'm about to.
Jeez, dude, you're such a master mechanic. Thank you very much, previous owner, for really mediocre muffler. Thank you. Oh, but the back pressure. Shut up. So, what Tyler's doing here is we pulled down my underglow a little bit. And,
No, Gabe did, because he doesn't know what's going on.
I pulled down my underglow a little bit because apparently I don't know what's going on. I know a lot of you at home are like, oh, a bunch of ricers, underglow, blah, 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 blah. But it's something that's...
Underglow, steal your girl.
Seriously, it's something that's really important to us, and in New Hampshire we can have underglow, and it's not a problem, and so we like to take advantage of it.
You bunch of goons. Go home.
You know what I just realized? This thing is going to be ungodly loud.
Mm-hmm. You're good. What have we done? This is just stupid.
Wow. Oh, with other cars?
Yeah, that's bad.
Oh, you got all the houses and snowbanks. We currently have all of the windows open. It's 32 out, which is actually pretty warm for us. We have the roof and the windows open to enjoy this lovely day. Hey, did you know it's Super Bowl Sunday? Yeah, right?
Super Bowl Sunday who?
Yeah, right?
We have race cars.
Race Car Sunday! Ah!
Leave a comment down below.
What?
That's too loud. I've never said that in my life before, but that's too loud. It took a lot longer than working on this because, hold on. People love us.
No, they don't.
We are the town favorites.
We're so out of place. That guy's trying to pass me. I was in third.
Rest in peace to their eardrums. Oh my god.
Woo! Alright. Well, that concludes this video. Thank you, Tyler. Go subscribe to Tyler's channel. I'll have a link to it down there below. And
there will soon be some videos. There might be one about Wednesday.
Maybe.
Don't know yet.